Right before left, one of the most famous German traffic rule there is. Extremely important to know if you're doing your German practical driving exam. Let's find out how it's done. So the famous right before left rule means you need to give way to the cars that are coming from the right hand side. So anyone who's on the left hand side basically needs to give you the priority. So this is our first example. There's a road on the right hand side, so we have to ease in. We don't have to stop, we just have to ease in and like slow down, look around. No car was coming from the right hand side, meaning we can keep driving. The right before left rule you will usually find in residential areas. So residential areas is mostly covered by this rule, right before left. So we are in a residential area, so there's a road from the right hand side and it's blocked a little bit, so easing in, looking at the right hand side, no car was coming in, so now we can drive ahead. If there was a car coming in from the right hand side, even if it was a little far away, definitely stop and give them way. In residential areas, right before left rule applies without any traffic signs. There is no traffic sign that would say right before left is valid here. It's just when you are inside a residential area and there are no traffic signs, right before left rule applies. In this scenario, the right before left rule doesn't apply. Why? It's because you can see that there's a garage, there's a house, so it's a private property. Somebody's gonna, whenever they're gonna drive out, they're gonna drive out from a private property. So if somebody is coming out from a private property, if there's a pedestrian walkway in front of that, then right before left rule doesn't apply. Then they need to give you way, regardless if you're coming from the left or if you're coming from the right hand side. So this is a good scenario. So for example, I'm gonna pass this house. So here, if there was a car coming from the right hand side, I don't need to give them way because they need to give me way. Private buildings or private parking, somebody's coming out, there's a pedestrian way in front usually, then they have to give you way. So then the right before left rule doesn't apply. So there's usually a 30 zone in Germany when there are residential areas, which we can talk about in another video, the 30 zone, what exactly that is, what you need to do in a 30 zone. It's pretty much self-explanatory, but there are some more rules to it. So in a 30 zone, always right before left is going to be valid. So that's something you should also know. So as we are moving ahead, we see in front of us say end of 30 zone and a give way sign, because now the right before left rule is over. Now we have to just follow the give way. So now the right before left rule is not valid anymore because it's the end of 30 zone and there's a give way sign. So right before left is over. Now normal inside city traffic rules are going to be valid with priority signs and stuff. So it's a normal 50 speed limit area, so you see a priority sign. I can speak in another video about priority signs and other rules of it, but yeah, right before left was not valid there. So here in this scenario, you are going to follow right before left rule. So there's a road on the right hand side, so we are going to ease in. Nobody's coming from the right hand side, meaning we can just drive forward. So this is a complete residential area, so right before left every time. So we are going to slow down. Nope, there are no cars. If you clearly see that there's no car coming from the right hand side, you can just keep on driving, but slowing down a little bit is definitely better, especially when you're doing your practical driving exam. And if you just rush through these and there was somebody coming from the right hand side, because they have priority. You have to basically give them way, yeah? So if you just rush in, you're going to fail your driver's test. So definitely don't do that. Another X marked sign, meaning right before left is valid. So we are going to just ease in. The view is blocked, nobody's coming in. So we're going to drive further. So that's how you follow the right before left rule properly. So this is just a normal 50 speed limit area with priority signs. So here definitely you don't give way to the people coming from the right hand side. And even on roundabouts, so main roads and roundabouts, you don't have to follow the right before left rule. So we have a roundabout right in front of us, so there the rules are different, which I've already made a video. You can check that out. But right before left doesn't apply to roundabout, so just make sure you know that, because if you start giving way to someone in a roundabout from the right hand side, that's also a point where you can just fail your driver's test if you're doing one. So there are houses on the right hand side, which means they have private parkings. So here right before left doesn't apply. If they are coming out from their private parking, they need to give you way. So you don't have to worry about giving way to the people coming from the right hand side if they are coming from their private parking, private garages. There the right before left rule doesn't apply. So this area is a start to a 30 zone, which means right before left is going to be the rule that applies here. So let's drive ahead and see if there's any intersection comes in where we have a road coming from the right hand side. There it is. This is a unmarked junction. I'm going to just slow down here and explain. So this is a unmarked junction. There are 4 roads, and here there's no traffic sign. So in case there's a new driver, they will get confused what rule applies here. It's very simple. It's right before left that applies here because there are no traffic signs. If there was a traffic sign, that would override the rule right before left. So let's say give way, priority. So we cannot just rush in here. We have to look into the right hand side. No cars are coming in. You should also look at left side also a little bit, at least. You don't want a car accident to happen. Sometimes people are just driving insane and just rushing through. So just take a look at left side a little bit as well, but your main goal is to give way to the people coming from the right hand side, because the person who is on your left side should give you way because you are on their right hand side. So it's a pretty simple rule in that kind of sense. Right before left. So grocery store parking places and other big parking places, also right before left rule applies. So looking at the right hand side, no cars coming in, so we can just drive as usual, no problem. So I'm on a main road inside a city right now. So here you don't do right before left, because here you will see traffic signs, traffic lights. Traffic light was there, now there's a traffic sign. This yellow sign means priority sign. You might ask yourself that how do I know if right before left rule is applying in this specific scenario or on the street that I'm driving? How do I recognize if it's right before left? Well, it's pretty simple. If it's a 30 zone, it's always going to be right before left. If it's a residential area, as you can see right now, this is right before left. If there is an X traffic sign, it's right before left. If you see a give way or a priority sign, it's not a right before left. So obviously those traffic signs override the right before left rule. So this is how you would know it's a right before left. It's an unmarked junction. There are no traffic signs, but there are 4 roads. So we have to ease in. Yeah, so there was someone from the left hand side, but he gave me way because In his case, I was the right before left. So, and from my side, on the right hand side, nobody was there.